Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by separating your identity. Make a new Epic Games account with a burner email and no personal details. Once created, enable a reliable VPN and connect to the region you want. This masks your IP and reduces linkability. Make sure you pick a neutral display name that doesn't hint at you. Do not link PlayStation, Xbox, or social accounts yet, because those ties can reveal past aliases. Now that the basics are set, move on to account and device settings. Once your account and VPN are active, harden in-game privacy. Go to Settings and immediately disable voice chat, proximity chat, and microphone access to prevent accidental audio exposure. Next, set profile visibility to private and turn off friend suggestions so Epic doesn't expose you to previous contacts. Make sure cross-platform linking and auto-join party options are disabled. Those can reconnect you to known players. Finally, clear any saved login tokens on consoles or PC so the session stays isolated from your main accounts. To finish, maintain device hygiene. Play under a separate OS user or console profile and avoid saving credentials to shared devices. After each session, clear cookies and cache data, then fully log out of Epic Games and your platform account. This prevents accidental reconnection. If you notice identification or friends finding you, switch your VPN server, change the display name, and recheck all privacy toggles. If problems persist, revoke app permissions and recreate the account using a different burner email to restore anonymity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.